We cook to remember. Not the dates or the speeches, but the smell of garlic on someone's hand. The pause before tasting. My mother always said, good things take time. And she meant more than food. You stir, you wait, you risk. You add something new and hope it belongs. Around the table, we share what patience made warmth, memory, and a little courage to try again.
Thank